buying your scrub while you can be making your own scrub at home for scrub. See how I make this beautiful scrub at home. So easy and perfect recipe. Don't forget to watch this video to the full and see how to make your own scrub by yourself first. Show you all the ingredients I'll be using in this scrub. I have my lemon here, and I have my brown sugar and my white sugar, and I have this sea salt. This is sea salt. This particular one has a perf. It comes alongside with perf. It's already perf scrub, sea scrub I mean, so you don't have to add any perfume or any essential oil to it. This one I've already come with. In my bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add this scrub, this pink scrub. I'm going to add it. First of all, you know, I always say when doing your scrub, you have to start first of all with the dry ingredients. So I'm going to mix it up. Why am I mixing it up? That I had the many sea salts that I use for my client, I add that to it. So this one contains perfume, and the perfume is so strong, guys, so strong. So I have this particular one. This is brown sugar and white sugar. So I'm going to also mix this one up together. I'm going to mix it up. This is it after mixing it up. The next thing I'm going to do is that I will mix my liquid ingredient. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Cremetasia TV. Wow. Don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't live and precious. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. All you know more Cremetasia got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. The skincare remedies, I will give you. All you know more about your skin now. You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use, natural remedy for you. Oh nah, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't live and precious. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause already got the best. Makeup tutorial it did for you. Lifestyle blogging it did for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Everything did for you. Subscribe, subscribe, hey, tell your friends, may they join us, tell your friends, may they join us, so you never hear the gist, so you never get something, hey, remedy for skincare, vlog and food, that is what I give you, Cremetasia got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy too full. I got you, I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, we no go back. giving you some more vibe, giving you some good vibe, energy full, giving you my good vibe. I still they watch your work, God they bless you. Can make change, I got you. Lifestyle, food and feel skincare we give you. Oh no, everything else we give you. You are beautiful, don't live and precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause already got the best. Make up tutorial, it did for you. Lifestyle blogging, it did for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Everything there for you. Subscribe, subscribe, tell your friends, may they join us. Tell your friends, may they join us. So you never hear the gist, so you never get something. Remedy for skincare, vlog and food. That is what I give you. Payment change, I got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy too full. I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, we no go back. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some more vibe, giving you some good vibe, energy full, giving you my good vibe. I still they watch your work. God they bless you. Can make change, I got you. Lifestyle, food and feel.
This is how it look after becoming thicker. I told you guys that it will become thicker after the water soak it, so it will become thicker. So I'm still turning it. So that's it, guys. I don't want this video to be too long. That's it. Look at how it look. So I'm going to put it in the container. You can see how thick it is. So this is how it looks. So you put it in your container. Can be put it alongside in your bedroom. Anytime you want to scrub, just bring it out and use it to scrub this way. So that's it. I'm going to put it in the container. I will see you guys on my next video, guys. Bye, guys.